If you're an IT leader, you know the struggle. You have to modernize your business or risk being left behind. You have to keep security, compliance, and infrastructure top of mind. And you have to embrace transformative solutions like hybrid cloud, all on a budget that looks like this, but has to work like this. So who can you turn to, and where do you start? We designed the free Lenovo Hybrid Cloud Workshop to give qualified enterprises a little clarity. Through an in-person, half-day session, our principal consultants work alongside your team, shoulder to shoulder, engineer to engineer, to bring your unique needs into focus. Together, we'll analyze your current cloud architecture, business goals, and company profile, and dive deep into the things that matter most, like security and compliance, infrastructure, and costs, to help customize a hybrid cloud environment that's right for you now and in the years to come. When we're done, you'll have a plan that aligns with your goals and a clear vision of next steps so you can make better, smarter business decisions. And your path to the cloud is simple, effective, and clear. Not bad for a half-day's work. See if you qualify for a free Lenovo Hybrid Cloud Workshop and start designing your successful cloud strategy today. Lenovo, smarter technology for all.